Hello guys, welcome back to SES Ltd Deals. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review a very useful product for writers, which is BrainPod AI. This is not your typical AI writer. It has so many other functions than just being a writer. So as you can see on their website, it writes unique content for you. It even has a built-in SEO mode that lets you optimize your content with the proper requirements of SEO. It also even has an AI image generator. So as you know, an article is always more acceptable to Google if it has images. So if you need some images from AI, you can even generate that from BrainPod AI. There is also another feature called AI music. It lets you generate sound from a text prompt, but it is not going to be your simple text to speech sound. There is also going to be some tune to that sound that is going to make it more like a music. A great news is BrainPod AI Writer is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, which means by paying only $39 you can have the lifetime access to this amazing tool. And if you want to get this lifetime access, make sure you check the link in the description that will take you to this Appsumo page. BrainPod AI Writer is an alternative to Jasper Simplified and Write Sonic. And there are also multiple integration options such as Integrately, Pabbly Connect, Pixabay, WordPress and Zapier, which is everyone's favorite. And these are the features that are included in the Appsumo deal of BrainPod AI. So you get access to the image generator, you can optimize your content through the SEO mode, there is one-click article creating ability, there is also another article generator which generates your articles in bulk, which means it can generate multiple articles at once. There are also some other amazing features such as this Copyscape plagiarism checker. So if you are familiar with the plagiarism checking industry, you'd know that Copyscape is one of the best tools out there, and BrainPod AI has its integration built into the platform, which is amazing. BrainPod AI can also translate language, and there are so many other types of features. Now let's have a look at the tiers. So the tier 1 costs $39 and one user can use it. You should also take the credit tokens per month limit in mind. The tier 2 costs $99 with 5 users and 50,000 credit. The tier 3 costs $199 with 10 users and 100k credit token. There are also two other tiers. The highest tier is tier 5 with a price of $499. The user limit is unlimited and the credit token per month is 600k. After you log into BrainPod AI, you will get this dashboard. From here you can see many types of stats. So the interface is currently in dark mode. You can also go back to the light mode, but I prefer the dark mode, so I'm going to keep it that way. So you can see the total members on the dashboard, total documents, the number of tokens, SEO tokens, image credit, reclaim tokens. You can also see the token usage, the documents, generated articles, favorite templates, recent documents. So the dashboard is an overview of your whole workflow, and then on the left side there is another section called workflow. So from here you can start creating your content with BrainPod AI. If you are having trouble with using the tool, you can simply watch the tutorial from this how to use the BrainPod AI writer. You can also see all of the templates that BrainPod AI offers from these options. So let's see them, and here are all the templates that are available with BrainPod. So as you can see, the amount of templates is simply amazing. There are a lot of templates, and you will find almost any types of written content template that you need for your different purposes. So back to the workflow page. From this section you can view all the templates, but if you want to see specific templates, for example you want to see templates for ad, you have to click on this, and as you can see, these are all the templates that you can use to make your ads. And there are a lot of other templates for marketing, for rewriting content, for social media, for content ideas, for do-it-myself emails, and a lot of other purposes. So since we have to create an article, because that is the main objective of BrainPod, so let's click on this create an article, and from here you will get the primary 4 options that you can use to create your article. So there is the article workflow. It is the complete workflow for making a high quality article, which means it will include writing the article, optimizing your content with SEO, checking plagiarism, and then there is the document editor. So BrainPod AI has their own editor that lets you format your article or get full control of your article. And then there is the famous feature, which is one-click article. You just have to provide a keyword, and then by clicking just once you can get a fully written article. And then there is another famous feature of BrainPod, which is that they create an article containing over 2000 words at a time based on a single keyword or multiple keywords. So let's start creating an article, and let's choose this one article feature, because for an AI article writer, the one-click article creator is the most attractive feature. So let's click on continue. And now in this box, as I have said earlier, you have to paste your keyword. So my keyword is going to be importance of social media. And now let's click on create article. So as you can see, a document has been created. You can also edit this document, make it your favorite. You can delete it. You can also assign team members. And on the next section, you can see your article. So the status is currently pending, which means the article is being created. As you can see, the content has been generated. The status is currently completed. So I have to go back to documents and then click on this content to open the editor. So as you can see, this is our content and this is the editor. So there are a lot of formatting options on this editor, and let's see the content. And I think it's a pretty good content. It obviously needs some editing, but other than that, it's a pretty good content. So from here you can set the title of the content. You can also give a description. You can also set the tone of the voice for this content. You can even translate this content, as we previously said in the Appsumo deal page. And the best part is there is even the plagiarism checker, and keep in mind it is copyscapes integration. You can also post to your WordPress directly from this editor. The next section is power mode. So from here you can enhance your content by using these frameworks or templates such as ADA framework, PASS framework, content improver, product description. So for example, this content doesn't have any conclusion. I have noticed that. So if you need the conclusion, you can simply use the conclusion template from here. So as you can see, this is the blog post conclusion paragraph. So similar, in this way you can provide everything your content that is missing on it, because the AI hasn't done its job properly. So you can enhance your content from these templates. And then there is the SEO mode, which is one of the best features of BrainPod. To use this SEO mode, you first have to copy your keyword and then paste your keyword and then click on create content editor. So the SEO report has been created. Let's click on it. And as you can see, this is the content score, the format score, the title score, the keyword score, and the NLP scores. So you can also see the words, the headings, the paragraph, and images in the content. And then you can see the important terms that should be used in this content. So the green ones are the terms that you have used, and red ones are the ones that you should use. And then you have the terms for your titles. You also have the terms for NLP. You can also see your competitors from this competitor section. Now let's go to the writer mode. From here you can edit your content further by changing the input length. You can also change the output length, and once again there is the translate language and plagiarism feature. The last section on this editor is text to speech, which means it is going to generate text to speech based on your text. So there are two choices. The premium one is going to give you a result that is going to sound more natural and human like, and if you choose this standard, it is going to provide natural sounding speech, but the speech is not going to be as good as the premium one. You can also choose the language and obviously the voice. So back to the dashboard. As you can see, we have talked about workflows, and then there is the document section. From this document section and my content, you can see all of your content that you created. You can also see the favorites, the archived ones. There is the template option, and then there is the create an image option, which means the AI image generator based on your prompt. So let's try this one. So as you can see now, the image editor of BrainPod has opened. So this is really good. They do not only offer an AI image generator, they also have a very good image editor, and from this option you can change the layout, add text. You can also adjust different elements of the image such as grayscale, sepia, invert, brightness, exposure, temperature, tint. There are also some other options to add shapes, to add images, to draw on your image, change settings, and also change the layers. So let's generate an image, and for that we need a prompt, and I have already prepared a prompt. So the prompt is about a lake cabin at sundown. So you can choose the style, the medium, the mood, the keywords, the inspiration. So I'm not going to add any of them. Let's just click on generate and see what BrainPod gives us. So this is the image that we have gotten, and to be honest, I'm quite impressed by the output. This is a really good image. So if you see the prompt, I think the image has been pretty accurate. So now you can make a lot of adjustments to your image from this layout, text, adjust and other options. So overall, I think BrainPod AI Writer is a complete tool for SEO and writing purposes, and it even has text to speech feature and also the image generator. So I don't think after buying BrainPod AI you need any other tools, because it is going to write content for you, make images for you, generate text to speech for you, and it also optimizes your content for SEO, which is going to get you good ranks on Google. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description, and these are all the features that you will get from this Appsumo deal of BrainPod, and these are the tiers. So the tier 1, tier 2, and then there is the tier 3, tier 4 and the tier 5. So that's it for our today's video. If you have liked this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any particular video request, let us know in the comment section. I will get back to you with another video very soon. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.